And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you how to create circles using SVG. So I've covered all of the HTML tags, but we're still not done with this programming language. We can, for example, create SVGs right here without a vector graphics tool like Illustrator. Just use the SVG tags, and inside there are a couple of inbuilt things that we can just add, for example a circle. If we add a radius with the R attribute, we can already see it. It has the default position and fill, which is black, and the 0, position for X and Y. Let me change the X position, so CX to 50. This covers our entire radius, so both are 50. If I make it 100 for radius, it's going to get cut off in the X position again. So keep that in mind when you position it. 0 for X and Y is always the top left. Let me change CY to 100 as well. And now we can see our circle, but it's going to get cut off at the bottom. And the reason why is the SVG, you can see it as a canvas, has a default size as well. You can add width and height attributes to change that. In my case, I want to cover the radius of 100. So let me just make it 200 for each. And now we can see the entire circle. As I've said, by default, it has a black fill. We can also change that. Let me show you how that's done. All that we need is the fill attribute. Let me make it green, for example. We can also add a stroke. And we can adjust the stroke width. By default, all of these values are pixels. And again here, the SVG canvas, so the thing, the frame, the element that we paint on, it needs to be bigger so that our stroke isn't cut off. And we also need to adjust the position. Let me make CY and CX 125. And now we can see the entire circle and its stroke. I will go over the other default shapes that we can build using this SVG tag, and a couple of more complex ones in the future. Try to create a playlist for it, so check the video description if you're interested. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.